हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू असा एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 11 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 83। रेनेट मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक है। ये हमारा इसी एक्सरसाइज का पार्ट 1 है। आपको कंपाउंड जो है उनको सेंटेंसेस को कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस में कन्वर्ट करना है। कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस इनटू कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस। पहला है स्पेयर द रॉड एंड स्पॉइल द चाइल्ड। इसको लिख सकते हैं इफ यू स्पेयर द रॉड यू विल स्पॉइल द चाइल्ड। He put on his hat and went outside. After he put on his hat, he went outside. At length, she woke and looked around. When she woke at length, she looked around. Keep quiet or you will be punished. If you do not keep quiet, you will be punished. The ship was wrecked, but the crew was saved. Though the ship was wrecked, the crew was saved. Either Shireen will come or she will send a letter. If Shireen does not come, she will send a letter. Do your best and you will never regret it. If you do your best, you will never regret it. He received our telegram and set off at once. As soon as he received your telegram, he set off. I must hurry back at once or my business will greatly suffer. If I do not hurry back at once, my business will greatly suffer. Do this or you will be punished. Unless you do this, you will be punished. Rama may not be clever, but he is certainly industrious. Though Rama may not be clever, he is certainly industrious. I put my hand into my pocket and gave him a rupee. After I put my hand into my pocket, I gave him a rupee. Only do the right and you will have no reason to be ashamed. If you do the right, you will have no reason to be ashamed. The crow stole a piece of cheese and flew with it to a tree. The crow, when he had stolen a piece of cheese, flew with it to a tree. I called at your house yesterday, but you were out. When I called at your house yesterday, you were out. We must do our work well, or our master will be angry with us. If we do not do our work well, our master will be angry with us. You have earned this gratitude, so you shall not go unrewarded. Since you have earned his gratitude, you will not go unrewarded. He failed in his first attempt and never tried again. After he failed in his first attempt, he never tried again. Time flies fast, yet it sometimes appears to move slowly. Though time flies fast, sometimes appears to move slowly. Mosquitoes cause malaria, and this is well known. It is well known that mosquitoes cause malaria. She must weep or she will die. Does not weep, she will die. He ran to the station, but he missed the train. Though he ran to the station, he missed the train. The boy was tired, therefore he went to bed. As the boy was tired, he went to bed. He is poor but contented. Though he is poor, he is contented. Life has few enjoyments, still we cling to it. Though life has few enjoyments, we cling to it. Eat few suppers and you will need few medicines. If you eat few suppers, you will need few medicines. इसके बाद जो आगे के सेंटेंसेस हैं वो करेंगे अगले पार्ट। तब तक आप सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन।